What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have yet again another solar fountain. We reviewed these fountains from this company many times on this channel, so we are going to go through everything as usual. Alright you guys, so once we take it out the box, we have the panel right here. You have the adjustable stand right here. Twist the knob and you can adjust it to your liking. Alright, you have your stake right here. Alright, and all you do right here is just push your stake in, and that's it. You just push in. Then you can take your stake off if you want to just place this on your deck or your railing of your deck. If you have a flat railing, you could place it on that, and if not, you can put it in the dirt. Right here we have 16 foot of wire right here, and then on this side we have our LED lights, and of course we have the pump. And the good thing about the pump is it has its filter already. This is a pretty small filter, but they have this filter and they have backup filters. So when the filters get clogged up, this is one of your issues right here. So this is one of your root causes right here, is algae backing up on these filters. I might do a video just to show y'all how it backs up, so y'all can actually see how to clean it and what to do and that type of stuff. Also, we have 7 nozzles. Alright, and we are going to go over all the nozzles as usual on this channel. That's what I do. Alright, and in here you have your instructions. Now I don't really look at the instructions like that no more, but if I need to figure something out, I will definitely go through the instructions. But most of this stuff is simple. The main reason why somebody will probably need the instructions is because they don't understand how the pump is, or they don't know what these filters or what anything is for. So other than that, let's go ahead and get into this review. And the fun part about this, if you want it in the shaded area, you can put your pump in the shaded area, and you have 16 foot of line right here, and you could put this wherever the sun is, so you can always have this in the shade if need be. Alright, so to hook this up, there's a little slot right there, and it goes right on top of this slot right here on the inside. So I don't know if you can see the slot that good, but there's a little lip right there, and it goes right between this groove right here, and put it in, push, and then you saw the pump automatically works. Pump is pretty powerful too. Set this in the sun, you guys. We're gonna let it charge. It's about like 4 o'clock right now, so the sun don't usually go down until like 7, so this will get about 3 hours of charge. I think it's not sticking properly due to my saucer pan. Okay you guys, so it's time to go over these nozzles right here. My absolute favorite is the one that spreads to the side because it don't waste that much water. So I'll just go ahead and start with that one real quick. Alright you guys, this nozzle right here has 6 holes on it, and you can see it clearly. Alright you guys, this one here has 7 holes. Now you can't really see that much of a difference between the 6 and the 7. It's just like a little difference that you see. Alright, and right here we have the single shot right here. Now with this one and this one, the one that shoots from the side, the birds still take a bath in there, in case you want to know. I'll actually try to record it. The last time I record the birds taking a bath in it was the other day, but I was inside the house, so Next time I will set up my GoPro and then y'all can actually see the birds take a bath while the pumps are. Alright you guys, and here we go with the last 3 or the last 4, but this one is an extension to the flatheads. Now the flatheads, they did improve on those. So with these, all you got to do is just basically push in and they clip in, but you need to find the slot where they push in. Now this one have 7 holes on it. Alright, I pulled it off. This is another one right here that has 7 holes on it. And this one right here has 13 holes. Alright you guys, so this solar fountain right here is 3.5 watts and it's a 200 milliamp battery. So the 3.5 watts is basically the power that the pump has. So if this was like say 10 watts, you see how it's blowing to the side? If it was 10 watts, it would definitely be shooting out a little bit harder. So that's what they mean about watts on the solar fountain pump, okay? Now, when they mean 2,000 milliamps of battery, 2,000 milliamps means how long the backup battery lasts when basically either the sun goes down or how long does it stay on at night with the lights. So that's what the 2,000 milliamps of battery is. All right, and it's 6 LED lights. We will check out the light show tonight. Right now I have the pump in the shade and y'all see that it's still going. Right now the pump is in the sun, pump in the shade, and you saw that it kicked off but then it kicked on. That is the backup battery. All right, see, I am covering the pump now. I got the pump in the sun and it's shooting out a little bit harder. I will show y'all one more time. I'm gonna cover it. Y'all saw that I covered it and it still works. So basically it works in sun and shade, but its best performance is in the sun. Alright you guys, so if you have any questions on why the pump don't work and stuff like that, I will actually snap this, post it right there so y'all can actually see reasons why it don't work. Most of the time for me, it's either the filter is backed up or it's a lot of bird poop on my solar panel. So if there's a lot of bird poop on your solar panel, your pump is not actually getting the charge that it needs. So yeah, and that will be it. So stay tuned and I will bring y'all to the light show tonight and we will see what time the lights actually cut on and we will go from there. Okay you guys, so right now it is 8:30. I just want to say that I love the way that these fountains come on with a certain timer. Now as you look, you may not see a big glow because 8:30 is still a little bit light outside. So I will definitely come out a little bit later and you will see how dark you get and how much everything glows around it. Alright you guys, so right now it is past 12 o'clock a.m. and the lights are still going. I am not going to stay up any longer because these lights now has surpassed the time limit of what it used to be. It used to just stay on till like 11 o'clock and that will be it. But you will definitely have a light show all night, especially if you have a little party on your deck or, you know, if you want this fountain, wherever you want the fountain, you will love it, especially if you are a night owl. So that will be it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, please subscribe.